Here are the most useful programming language to learn, Part 2. 4. C and C++. C is probably the oldest commonly used programming language, and it is the root of other programming languages such as C#, Java, and JavaScript. C++ is an enhanced version of C. If you wish to be a system-level programmer, C++ is the language you should learn. C++ is also widely used by competitive programmers owing to the fact that it is extremely fast and stable. It has remained in high demand due to high performance, reliability, and variety of contexts you can use it in. Microsoft Windows and Google Chrome are the two of the most well-known projects created with C++, and indeed most of Amazon's website are written in C++. A career with C++ involves developing desktop applications, especially performance-intensive tasks. 5. Swift. Swift is the programming language that is used to develop iOS applications, which is released in 2014. It's Apple's new language options for programming native iOS and macOS applications. Apple iPhone, for instance, has captured a significant market share and is giving a tough competition to Android. Therefore, those who want to serve this community can learn Swift programming. Swift as a statically typed language means that Xcode checks your error for you, so your errors are easier to track down, and further, it operates faster. By the way, Xcode is the editor for the Swift language. 6. Kotlin. Kotlin is a general-purpose, free, open-source, statically typed, pragmatic programming language initially designed for the JVM Java Virtual Machine and Android that combines object-oriented and functional programming features. Kotlin is another great cross-platform programming language that you should consider having in your arsenal in the year 2020. Its similarities with Java has made it possible for Android developers to switch seamlessly while being able to access their previously created frameworks. Google just announced that it will officially support Kotlin on Android as a first-class language. 7. Golang. Why should I learn Go? Because learning something new is its own reward. Go's syntax is small compared to other languages, and it's easy to learn. Go is definitely worth learning if you have an interest in languages that make parallelism and concurrency part of the language. Although there are hundreds of programming languages, very few are on the shortlisted languages you should know, and the 7 described above the top that list, in our opinion, as a training provider. As a summary, to get a job, learn Python, Java or C#. Those languages feature top of the number of job vacancies listed consistently and have done for years. Do you want to get a job in a particular field? Let's say data science, learn a language that's key to that field. Data scientists use Python or R, or Scala. If you want a job in web development, then it's JavaScript or Ruby or PHP. If you want a high-paying job and you're already an established developer, then maybe look at Go or Kotlin. There are far fewer jobs advertised, but also far fewer developers with those skills, so developers are in high demand and can get better salaries. I hope you would have found your answer to which programming language to learn first by now. Feel free to ask your questions in the comment, and I'll be happy to respond. All the best. Thanks for watching.